and welcome to Farmer River Crossing, a test of wits and strategy that will challenge your mind and patience. Meet the farmer, a simple man with a big problem. He must transport his goat, his cabbage, and his wolf across the river to the right island. But there's a catch: his boat can only carry one of them at a time. And if he makes the wrong choice, the wolf will eat the goat. And if he leaves the goat with the cabbage, well, you get the picture. Your mission is to help the farmer make the right moves. Every choice matters. Can you solve the puzzle? Think ahead, plan wisely, and guide the farmer to success. Farmer River Crossing, a game of logic, patience, and a dash of humor. Are you ready to cross the river?